So you want to do the corner pieces first. This will be very easy. First, you gotta make the corners yellow. If all the corners are yellow, then you could skip to whatever the next step in this video is. Okay. One corner piece yellow, put it on hot face right here. Keep it right there. And do the other one. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Try again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Then they would all be yellow. If none of them are yellow, you just have to have one. Wait. Okay. None of them are yellow. Take one that if you turn it, take a piece that if you turn it, it's on the left. Like this. Or this one. The yellow is on the left. Turn it. Like you turn the cube, the whole cube. Okay? Then do right up, and right. Then put it right here. Right up, right up, right, right. Then it will all be like that. If any two of them are yellow, have to match the front face. So you have to match the front face with the yellow. Okay. Yellow left corner. Okay, now do the same algorithm. Right up, right up, right. Do it again. And this, right up, right. Do it one more time, I think. Yeah, I get that. Now, you just want to get them in the good position. Now, try to make them be in a good position already. You have to have at least two of them. Just turn it until there's at least two of them. If they're right next to each other, put them in the back. And use this algorithm to switch these to this algorithm. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, right, up inverted. Then they would all be in space. If you need to switch, if they're diagonally, just put them anywhere you want. Just turn it anywhere you want, no matter where it is, it'll still be good. And then do it only once, and then do it like I already showed you, because they should be next to each other. If they're not, do it one more time. Well, two of them should be next to each other. Turn it until two of them are next to each other after you do it, and then just do the thing I told you to. Now you want to position the edges correctly. Go to my next video, I'll show you.